Hello friends and assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel New IP All Designing Developer. Like in the previous videos, we have covered up many of the things using DSA in Python, and we have also covered up many of the Python artificial intelligence projects. So today we are just doing an amazing Python artificial intelligence project, and today we will be building an amazing complaint system, and I will be telling you that how you can just build an amazing complaint management system using Python in artificial intelligence. So I hope you'll be understanding this video as well. So if you understand, remember to hit a like, also subscribe on this channel, and after subscribing, a notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand about these things. And remember to share this video so more people can learn and they can see how we can build these amazing projects using these all amazing languages. So now we'll be starting with our video, and basically we'll be seeing that how we can just build this amazing project from start and what things we are including in this amazing project of complaint management system using Python in artificial intelligence. So just like I'm telling you that today I will be building an amazing complaint management system using Python in artificial intelligence. So now we'll be starting with our project and seeing that how we can use artificial intelligence in Python to build this amazing complaint management system. So for building this, I will be opening my folder, but before that I will be making new window directly from here. Then I will be closing my previous window from here, and then you have to open your folder from which we are working. So our folder name was complaint management system, which we are just building in, you can say, in Python using artificial intelligence. So I've opened my file here, and this is my main file which I'm getting here. So this is the main file here. So I will be raising all the things from here, and we'll be starting the codes from here. So I'll be zooming in here, and now we'll be starting with our Python codes to work with this amazing complaint management system. So for using this, we have to first of all use the ticketer, so we can run it. When we can run, so we should get a front end face here. So I will be now writing here from ticketer. We will be now importing here. We will be importing this tag from ticketer here. Then you have to import ticketer from tk, and here you have to import this tag directly from here. Then after importing, just you have to now just write here a tag which will be like double tk here, not only single one. Then you have to now write here from ticketer. Then we have to write here message box, and I will be now writing here import this tag again. Then you have to now write here from again, and then you have to write here db import value, and then write here db connect. And then when you've written this, here you have to now write here from list form, and then here when you've written this, you have to write here import list form value. Then when you've written this thing, you have to write here hashtag config, and after writing this config value, you have to write here connect is equals to db connect, and then you have to now write here root is equals to tk, and here you have to write here root dot geometry. Then you have to now set the geometry thing here, like I will be writing 600x285. Write here the title, and in title I will be now writing here complaint management, which is the name here. So I will be now writing here like this. Then you have to write here root dot configure, and here I will be now writing background is equals to, then I will be now writing AEB, and write here 6BF. Now when you've written this, here you have to write style like this, and then you have to now write here style is equals to style. Then you have to make this bracket here and write here style dot theme like this, and write here underscore use, and then you have to write here classic. Then after writing classic, you have to write for element in. Then I will be now writing here like this tag, then write here t label, and then you have to write comma, and here I will be writing t button tag. Then you have to now just write here a tag which should be like t radio button. So here I will be now writing t radio button like this. And then after writing this tag, you have to now just close this, and here you have to now just make this tag, and then you write here style dot configure value, and in configure value I will be writing element background, and in background you have to write here this tag, and then write here AEB6BF. Then you have to close this, and here I will be now just writing here grid value. So you have to write here grid x1353. Then you have to now write here labels is equals to, then you have to now write here full name value, and after writing full name, you have to just now just make this tag, write here comma gender. So here I will be now making this gender like this, and here you have to now just make this tag, write comma, and here I will be writing comment value, and then you have to now just write a tag here, and then write for I in range. So here I will be now writing for I in range. Then I will be writing here 3. Then you have to now write here label, and in label I will be writing root text, and here I will be writing labels like this. So here I will be now writing labels, and here I will be now writing grid and row. After writing row, you have to write I tag, then write here column is equals to 0. Then you have to now write here paddix dash 10, write here pad is equals to 10. Then when you've written this, you have to just now write here do this like this is equals to button root, then write here text is equals to, and then you have to write here list comp like this. Then you have to now just write here a tag again, which should be like view list dot, then write here grid and row is equals to 4. Then you have to write here column is equals to 1. Then you have to write here blue submit value is equals to button. Then here I will be writing root comma text is equals to, then I will be writing here submit now. Then when you've written this, write here submit value again like this. Then you have to now write here dot value grid and write here row is equals to 4 comma column is equals to 2. Then when you've written this thing, just here I will be now moving down and you have to write here entries like this, and then I will be writing full name. So here you have to write full name is equals to, then I will be now writing here entry, write here root comma width is equals to 40. Then you have to make this comma, write here font, and in font I will be now just writing here the Arial. So here I will be writing the font Arial, then I will be now writing 40. So I will be closing this tag by writing this string from start and in the end. Then after closing, you have to write here full name dot grade again. Then I will be now making this bracket here, write here row 0. Then I will be now writing here column is equals to 1. Then when you've written this, write here column span is equals to 2. Then when you've written this, you have to write here span gender like this and write here string var. And then when you've written this string var, you have to close this and write here radio button. So I will be now writing here radio button, write here root tag, and then you have to write here text mail. So here I will be now writing mail, write value is equals to mail. So here I will be now writing. Then after writing this value, here you have to make this tag, write here variable, and in variable I will be now writing here span gender. So here I will be now writing here span gender like this. Then when you've written this thing, write here grid, and then I will be writing row is equals to 1, column is equals to 1. Then you can see we have just written this value here in the variable tag. Then I will be just moving down, right here radio button. So here I will be now writing like this radio button, and then you have to now just write here root comma text is equals to, then write here female, and then you have to write here comma and then write here value is equals to, then write here female like this. Then I will be now writing variable is equals to, and here I will be now writing span gender. So here I will be now writing this, then write here grid, and I will be now writing the grid here, which should be row 1. Then when you've written this, I will be writing column 2. Then when you've written this, move down after this, write here comment value is equals to text value, write here root comma width is equals to, then I will be now writing here 35, height is equals to 5. Then I will be now writing font, and here I will be writing Arial. Then I will be now writing comma 14. Here I will be now writing comment dot grid, and here I will be writing here row is equals to 2. Then column 1, here I will be writing, then comma, and then write here column span is equals to, right here 2. Right here paddix is equals to 10. Right here paddy is equals to 10. Now when you've written this, you have to write here bought to you by code project. So here I will be now writing codeproject.org. Then here I will be writing def save data. So here I will be now writing this. Right here msg means message connect value. Here I will be writing. Then you have to write the add value. Here I will be now writing full name dot get, and here I will be now just writing here a value which should be like span gender. So here I will be now writing dot get. Then you have to just now write here comment value, right here dot get value like this, and then I'll be writing 1.0 comma end. Then when you've written this, move down, right here full name dot delete, and then after writing this delete value, in this I will be writing 0 end. Now you can see we have written this. After writing these all stuff, you have to now just save this value from here. After saving this, you have to run it. So for running, we have to use the command prompt here, and our file was on downloads. And here if I just show you, this is our file. So I will be now writing here command prompt, then write here cd downloads. So I will be now directly writing here cd downloads. By mistake I have written wrong. cd downloads. Then I will be now writing cd and my folder name. So my folder name is this. So I will be now directly moving here, and then I will be giving the URL of here by Control C. Then after writing here, you have to paste the URL here, right here cd, and now in cd you can see we are getting this URL. So I will be copying this URL here, and then you have to just paste it here. Then again cd, and again you have to now just paste this URL which we are getting, copy this, and then you have to now paste this and press enter. And now we are getting this. So I will be now writing here main.py. So I will be writing main.py, press enter. So when you will be pressing enter, so your file will be directly opening here, and then you can use that file. So if I write here list, so I will be now writing here list, and then we are getting list com file. So here I will be writing listcom.py. So you will be getting the listcom.py. You can see it has opened here. Listcom.py file has been directly opened. Now if you want to run it, you can use the main.py file here. So I will be directly moving here. Then if you want to run this file, so here you have to directly press main.py. So your file will be directly opening here, and then you can use directly. You can double click it also to work with your file open with. Then you can open it with Python 3.1.0, or you can directly open it with this Python one. So you can see this is the thing which I want to show you, and like this we can just use this thing here in Python. So I hope you understand what is complaint management system in Python and how we can use complaint management system in Python, how we can build this. So if you have understand, enjoy this video of complaint management system in Python. So remember to hit a like to this video, and if you are new on this channel, want to see more videos like that, so remember to hit subscribe on this channel. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn, they can understand how we can build this amazing project using these all amazing languages. So just I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.